Jamaican stories that will have you wondering why people so wicked. People husband and nice. Full story. A mysterious woman anonymously submitted an email to a popular couples therapy page with a ghastly warning to all women who like to sleep with married men. Men should also beware, as it goes both ways. A copy of the email was posted by Pinkwall Jamaica on IG. The email was titled, "I want to rant for people to learn and stay away from married men." The mysterious woman claimed that she and her husband protected their marriage with pythons. This means if either of them cheat, the side piece meets a horrible fate. She said they married in soul tie. The woman claims that she just wanted to vent. She claimed that she and her husband got married in 2015 and after 1 year, they did a soul tie ritual. She described in harrowing detail that the ritual required them to use two pythons, female and male. The female python represents her husband and the male stands for her. During this ritual, blood is sucked out from the palm of their hands and given to the Asenatkes. If the ritual is successful, the snakes should entangle together, which means they are now together. The woman claims that she is happily married because the reason behind this ritual is to remove all the people who will want to destroy her marriage. She said that her husband cheated 4 times, and all of the unsuspecting females met their untimely demise. One of the girls he cheated with is diagnosed with cancer and she's mentally ill, eating out a garbage pan. She states that she has no regrets and will never feel guilt, as she is tired of people trying to destroy her love life. She warns that when people say married women pray dangerous prayers, don't take that lightly because that's her dangerous prayer. She claims that the snakes are in their lives but in the spiritual realm protecting their marriage, and if you are a threat they destroy you. You cheat with my husband, you meet your demise. You get pregnant for him, your baby becomes our sacrifice. That was her ending statement. What are your thoughts? Comment below. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.